Hello guys, welcome back guys, and it's your boy Audu right here again. And you all are welcome back to this channel. So right now guys, I just want to show you guys how you can actually make money online solving mathematics. Even if you are not a mathematics student, even if you don't know anything about mathematics, I'm going to be showing you just with your smartphone as you're actually watching me right now. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually make money online using mathematics. So that being said guys, without any further ado, let's literally get into the video. So guys, as I said earlier, even if you don't have prior knowledge about mathematics, even if you don't know how to solve anything in mathematics, I'll be showing you a software or an application that can actually do this for you, and you are going to be making money, a whole lot of money for yourself, literally a whole lot of money. So with that being said, let's go to our Google Chrome. I don't want to use the application of Fiverr or Upwork, but literally we're going to be jumping into Fiverr and Upwork right now to show you guys this platform and or to show you guys how you how you can actually make money working legitimately solving mathematics. Because right now guys, you need to know that mathematics is actually something that is some students out there don't literally know how to solve mathematics, don't literally know how to answer their questions. You get? So right now, if you are a mathematics teacher, let's just search for mathematics problem solving. Now as you can see here, someone's gig is actually starting from $55. Now that's the first one, which is showing his username as best friend or something. And the second one is actually going out for $5, $10, literally. So let's go for not the highest and not also the lowest, and we'll calculate and see how much we can actually make in a day. So this person is actually doing it for $20 per his first gig. That's first starting point, gig is actually $20. Now first of all guys, let's go to our Google Chrome browser and go to, or should we go to our calculator? No, let's just go here and search for $50. Okay, $20. Now this is literally 8,000 naira plus. And if you are using the black market rate, that's if you want to actually withdraw through the black market rate, which is actually around 750 or so on right now. Let's just say 740 right now times $20 is around 14,000 naira. Let's just say 15,000 naira, because it sometimes actually gets to 745 and so on and so forth, even up to 750. Yes guys, so let's just say 15,000 naira. Now let's say you get this kind of jobs twice in a day. Yeah, literally that's 30,000 naira times 30 days in a month, which is actually almost 1 million naira. Now even if you're getting it not even every day, let's say you're getting it 3 times in a week, you get, so let's say 15,000 naira is actually 45k, but let's calculate it. 45k, that is in a week. Now there are 4 weeks in a month, so let's say in a month you are going to be making 180,000 naira for yourself. That's actually very, very cool. Almost 200,000 naira as a side hustle. Now let's literally go to Upwork again, check it out for yourself. I'm just like showing you guys to to broaden your knowledge, to show you guys that this stuff I'm actually want to show you guys right now is actually legitimate and is actually paying very, very well, like from now till forever. You get? Because not everyone actually knows how to solve mathematics. Now this is actually someone's gig, $40, $38, and so on and so forth. Is somebody's gig, $70 per hour, and so on, 75. So let's go for the first one, $40 per hour. Let's just calculate it and see how it actually goes for us. So let's use the 750 naira per hour. Okay, so 750 naira, $40 is actually 30,000 naira. Let's say you're getting it 3 times in a week, every job 3 times in a week. And if you're actually very, very good, you'll be getting it at least even twice in a day. Literally, twice in a day is around 60,000 naira if I'm not mistaken, in a day. So right now, let's say you're getting it times 3 times in a week. So this is a week, 90,000 naira in a week. Now what about in a month? That is 90,000 naira times 4, because there are 4 weeks in 1 month. Literally, that's 3,000 as 360,000 naira every single month, like every single month. Now what if I see you can actually do this even if you don't go to learn mathematics, or if you don't further your knowledge on the mathematics or something like that. Literally, I want to actually show you guys how you can actually go. I have friends, I have people that are literally doing it. I have someone that has actually watched my video on YouTube and is making money every day, literally freelancing for himself. So with that being said, guys, let's go to my Play Store and let's jump into the application right now. So right now, if you go to Play Store, you just search for Photomat. Now this is the application here. I am literally going to be installing it for the purpose of this video, and to show you guys how it actually works, so you can see for yourself, guys. Alright, it's actually loading. Give it a while, guys, and it's installed right now, guys. The only thing you've got to do is just to go to your Google Chrome browser, or you still go to Play Store right now, and you can search for Fiverr or Upwork. Now you all know I have this Fiverr. Sorry, I spelled it mistakenly wrong. So this Fiverr, I'm actually updating it right now, and also freelancers for Upwork. Or literally, if you just search for Upwork, I use Upwork. That's what I use for my freelancing. That's why I see it's already even updated. I use it always, and that's my main literally, should I say main source of income? Not really main source of income, but yeah, sure. It's actually a side hustle for me also, which is making me tons of money every single month for myself. So right now, this is Upwork, and if you open it up right now, you just go there, create a gig. If you go to YouTube right now, search for, let's go to YouTube so you can see for yourself. Now just put in my name as a keyword. Audu. Upwork. Or you just search for Audu Upwork tutorial. Now this is actually a 33 minutes video showing you how you can actually create your account, verify, and so on and so forth on Upwork. Literally, it has 287 views for now, and this is another one which has as I said earlier, you can actually use this one to create your account and verify your account also. So literally, these videos are kind of old, but they are still working up till now. Yes, guys, as you can see here, I just changed my profile picture. That aside, let's get into the video on how to actually make the money right now on Upwork. So right now we've downloaded Photomat. Let's go to our phone and jump into Photomat ASAP to show you guys how you can actually set up everything and how you can actually make money for yourself. So first of all, you go to your Upwork or your right now, let's say we're a teacher. Skip. Alright, so as you can see here, this is just what you need to do, and this is what you need to do. Just need to open it up, and you don't really need to do anything more because we already have. You just snap or scan the equation, and it's going to solve it for you directly with the proofs and the whole procedures on how it's being solved and everything. It's going to be solved for you. Literally does it. I don't really need to show you guys. I've just shown you guys the application, and you can actually use it for yourself and make money for yourself. Yeah, guys, so I think that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I really love every one of you all. Today is actually my birthday, and yeah, can you wish me a happy birthday in the comment section, and I'll be really happy, and I'll be glad to actually reply. And I love you, every one of you all. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.